In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Otter.ai for 2025. Let's dive right in, ensuring you make the most out of your transcription experience. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Otter.ai homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Otter.ai into the address bar. Once there, you'll enter your login details if you aren't already logged in. Make sure these credentials are secure and familiar to you. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the option labeled My Conversations. You'll typically find this on the left side of the screen in the main navigation menu. This section holds all your past interactions and transcriptions stored within your account. It's like your personal library of recorded content right at your fingertips. Now, with the My Conversations section open, take a moment to scroll through your list of recorded conversations. Identify the specific conversation you wish to edit. It's handy to use the search function if you have numerous recordings, helping you find the exact file much quicker. Click on the conversation you've chosen to edit. This action will open up the details of that particular recording. For a more in-depth edit, your next task is to select Transcript from the available options. You should see this button prominently displayed, guiding you into the body of your text. At this point, with your transcript visible, locate the Edit Transcript button. This is your starting point for making changes. Once you click on it, your text becomes editable. You can now add, delete, or modify text as needed, perfecting your transcript to match the audio recording accurately. As you go through editing, keep in mind a few tips to ensure a smooth process. Always double-check for context in the surrounding text before making significant edits. This helps maintain the original meaning and flow of the conversation. Additionally, listen back to the audio when in doubt, as this provides the most accurate reference. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. After all your edits, look for the Save option. This ensures all the hard work you've put into perfecting your transcript won't be lost. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing text in Otter.ai. By following these steps, you'll be able to refine your recordings, ensuring they are clear, precise, and ready for whatever purpose you might have in mind. Whether for work, study, or personal reference, you now have the tools to make your transcripts exactly as you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!